he has a tenure. All these people have a tenure, that they have a fixed tenure. उसके बाद वो change होते हैं. And many of them we know also कि अगला वाला कौन होंगे, पिछले वाले कौन थे, it's fixed. Yeah. नहीं, सिर्फ मैं नहीं करूँ, बुक में लिखा है, किसी ने मुझे बताया नहीं. Prabhu is getting impressed. Oh, how does this guy? Yeah, I never applied. What was I talking about? कर्म कांड पे कुछ मैं बोल रहा था.
They have to do it.
Yeah, they have to do it. It's a job. When you're in that position, if someone fulfills the process, सारे फॉर्म भर दिए, सारी अर्जी डाल दी, सारा पेमेंट कर दिया, everything is done according to the checklist, they have to give you what you have asked for. They have to. It's their job. They will not think if it is good for you or not. You are asking, you have done whatever, you will get. That's all. It's a dukan. It is actually a dukan. It's transactional. Yeah, it is the same as manifestation, but manifestation is nothing. Manifestation is a little lower, because there you're not thinking about personalities. You're still going impersonal. You're thinking energy, right? And you're still putting all of that upon you, that if I manifest or think about it, then it will happen. It is still dependent on you. So it is lower than this.
But it is still happening.
It's happening, but the success rate will be varying. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. Because karma is still, it's still adjustment of your karmas, Mataji. Manifestation is basically an adjustment of your karmas. If you had to get it later, you just get it now. But you will never get manifestation. Never think that.
Isn't it creating karma? Manifestation.
It is. You just see wherever your desires go, your energy will flow. Your attention will flow. Yeah. So attention, energy, desire, all of them are very connected. So if you do a lot, the cosmos will just adjust and just get this done with. That's all. But you will never get anything that you don't deserve, or you'll never get anything more than what you deserve. आपको उतना ही मिलेगा. Never more, never less.
But वो जो deserve का जो unit है वो तो हम ही बना रहे हैं.
हम बना नहीं रहे हैं, बन चुका है वो. You're just sitting in the चाहिए मुझे चाहिए. You're just a little kid. Manifestation is nothing but little kid crying. अभी चाहिए, अभी चाहिए. I want it right now. You understand what I'm saying? It's a tantrum. Manifestation is a tantrum. That you're crying out to the cosmos and saying, can I please have it right now? Please. Please right now. I want to have it right now. I think it is very good for me. Please make it happen. Make it happen. Make it happen. Sometimes it will happen, sometimes it won't.
But only manifestation से कुछ नहीं होता. Manifestation तो एक process के start होती है ना कि फिर उसके बाद हम efforts डालना शुरू करेंगे. तो
Of course, efforts. See, आधा चीज तो मनगढ़ंत, आधा चीज तो खुद ही को मोटिवेट करने वाली बात है. So that has nothing to related to this. Nothing related to this.
But it's not how it is not equal to creating karma and getting what
It is not. You're not creating karma. You can't create karma. You can't create karma without doing something. You can't sit in a place just think about it and you have to do
That
something.
is also it just says that you think about it and then make efforts.
Of course.
to it, right? So
It
you're
also
just setting up a goal for yourself.
for yourself. It's more psychological rather than metaphysical.
But जब हम manifestation के बाद काम करना शुरू करते हैं तो वो तो
Of course, वो आप effort डाल रहे हो तो कर्मा create कर रहे हो. So this has nothing to do with Kant. Yeah. That was answered. Kant is something that you're asking for and it's a dukan that you're getting. But it is in the Vedic system because इससे बाहर आ जाते हो. You're now acknowledging the fact that मेरे से भी बड़ा ऊपर कोई बैठा है. कर्म करके नाम भी कोई चीज है. उस कॉन्सेप्ट तक आप आ गए. And that is better than nothing. It's progress. It's a trick by Krishna. ये ठीक है भैया, मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में आ गया, चाहिए ना इसको, लॉलीपॉप चाहिए ना इसको, ठीक है, टू गेट लॉलीपॉप्स मेक अ सिस्टम. But just because he or she wants lollipops, he will come under a system. He or she will not be systemless. That is the worst part. Not submitting, throughout this, being under the submission of some other entity is what is increasing step by step. What did we say? The essence of the Gita is, I am a soul, Krishna is God, I am a servant of Krishna, I have that relationship. To serve Krishna lovingly is my goal. That is the highest goal that there is in life. To be submissive to someone, and that starts here in a very small way, कि हम अभी एटलीस्ट किसी के लिए तो सबमिशन, हम एटलीस्ट शास्त्र को मानने लगे हैं. व्रत रखना है ये कहां से पता लगा मुझे? शास्त्र से. यज्ञ करना है, where did I get to know? Shastra. This whole system of demigods, where did I get to know? Shastra. I start believing in things which are beyond my senses, and that is a very big step, because right now we are in a state that I will not believe anything that I cannot see. That is foolishness, because there are so many things my own mind I can't see. What else will I see? Here is a realm that I am entering. At least I am acknowledging the fact that there is a realm beyond just my body. It is a step towards knowing that I am not this body, I am a, it's a step. And ladder के क्या होते हैं? Steps. Yeah? This is the first step. क्या सिस्टम बनाया है कि नहीं? बट बहुत लंबा चौड़ा तामझाम. We have a choice. By the way, this तामझाम हम इस लैडर पे ऊपर नीचे नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे बहुत बार किया हमने. Throughout lifetimes. We can either choose कि हम इस स्टेप से स्टेप जाएंगे. अल्टीमेटली सबको कहाँ आना है? इधर ही आना है. अल्टीमेटली देयर इज नो अदर वे. बट इसमें ना रिस्क है. यहाँ आने तक बहुत टाइम लगता है. आ गए यहाँ हम फंस जाएंगे. दिस इज लाइक अ मॉल. एक बच्चे को आप आई डोंट नो आजकल क्या चल रहा है, डिज्नी वर्ल्ड में छोड़ दो, कभी वो घर जाने जाएगा? पूरे दिन डिज्नी वर्ल्ड, पूरे दिन. दिस इज लाइक डिज्नी वर्ल्ड विद अ लॉट ऑफ पेन. बाय द वे, डिज्नी वर्ल्ड एटलीस्ट हैज ओनली जॉय बिकॉज यू आर विथ योर पेरेंट. यार वी आर इन, हम हैं डिज्नी वर्ल्ड में, हम दूसरे बच्चों को देख रहे हैं कि उनको राइड मिल रही है, मुझे भी चाहिए. राइड लेने के लिए क्या चाहिए होगा? पैसा चाहिए होगा. चलो पैसा ढूंढते हैं. रनिंग. वी आर इन डिज्नी वर्ल्ड. वी डोंट वांट टू लीव डिज्नी वर्ल्ड. दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग. My thinking should be, hey, wait a second, why am I running here to do this? Can I find a better system where I don't have to run around for this? But no, what am I thinking? My thinking gets tunnel vision, and I be like, no, I also want a ride. For a ride, what do I need? Money. I will do anything and everything to get that. That is Disney World here. Cruel world, but Disney World. के में घूम रहे. एक दिन कर्म कांड को हमने, this is the last point I'm going to make for today. कर्म कांड को जीत लिया. इस लेवल को हमने क्या कर लिया? मिशन अकम्प्लिश कर लिया. This level has been unlocked. What does that mean? What does कर्म कांड getting accomplished mean? How does that look like? Yeah.
सारी मटेरियल चीजों से या फिर एक काइंड ऑफ उससे
नहीं, आई एम सेइंग कि you actually lived it fully. What does that look like?
God everything you want.
First of all, you get to know about it. Then you start trying it. It's very hard. To do a yajna also, see, to do tapasya, is it easy? Is it easy? Get to that level of, to do tapasya, you need to do a lot of other things, yes or no? To do a yajna, you need money. To get money, you need what? Money. A yajna kar rahe ho to get money, but to do a yajna, what do you need? Money. So, first of all, you get to know. Then you start arranging for all these different situations that you can do those processes to get what you want out of it. You start doing that. Many years, many lifetimes go in this. Some lifetime you reach that level कि अब I'm gonna try and do the process. I did the processes, I got what I want. मेरा faith बढ़ता है. Oh yes, this works. I do more, I do more, I do more, I do everything. Or everything that I want, I have now gotten from these yajnas. Yes or no? I have got. But while doing those yajnas, you know what you realize? You start understanding those mantras. You done all that. मंत्र समझ. अब तो आप ऐसे हो गए हो, प्रो हो गए हो आप. हाँ भाई, क्या कराना है? आप कंसल्टेशन कर रहे हो दूसरों के लिए. तो कौन सा वाला चाहिए आपको? कौन से डिपार्टमेंट में जाना है? Have you seen the first time when you go to an RTO? RTO? I was lost when I went to an RTO or a court. I'm like, कहाँ जाने का है? I was like, what do I have to do here? Notary कराने के लिए I didn't know what to do, right? But there are pros sitting outside, just sitting, looking out for chumps like us. And then they आते हैं. कराने या कुछ मैं बताता हूँ. I've gotten this done. So you can become a pro, everything, you know all departments, everything. Because of that, you start to getting to know ये इसके देवी देवता हैं, ये इसके देवी देवता हैं. You start getting to know who they report to. Not just who is who, you start getting to know कि इनका भी कोई boss है. You understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? All yajnas have a कोई यज्ञ में बैठा असली वाले जो अच्छे से करवाया हो. A yajna has a पूर्णाहुति. पूर्णाहुति होती है, last आहुति that goes in. That always goes to Vishnu. Purnahuti always, whatever yajna you get done, Purnahuti always goes to one day, because you have become purified. Desire करते करते ही आप यज्ञ करने के लिए ना थोड़ी purification चाहिए होती है. वो बोलेगा कि आप नहा के आओ, ये करो, ये नहीं खाना, व्रत नहीं करना. Because of that, आपने कुछ किया ना, तो आपकी consciousness की थोड़ी थोड़ी क्या हो गई है? सफाई हो गई, purification. You start asking the right questions. You start noticing the right things. अरे ये सब ठीक है, मैं इसके पास आ रहा हूँ, ये तो कहीं और ही जा रहा है, ये भी इसका भी कोई क्या है? There's a boss for this person also. Why am I going to this person? I should go directly to the boss. That is the next step. When you start going to the boss, इसी का last level है that आप transactions जो करना शुरू करते हो, वो आप किसके साथ करना शुरू करते हो? तिरुपति. Who's been to Tirupati? Have you seen what happens in Tirupati? Partnership happens. People take, they come there. I'm not kidding, this actually happens. They go to Vishnu there, Tirupati Balaji is there, and say, Balaji, I will make you my partner in my business. Whatever earnings we get in this business, उसका this much percentage is yours. Please help me grow my business. 50-50. I'm not kidding. Actually, people come and throw bags of jewelry there into the hundi. The donation box, whatever it's called. People throw, like it's crazy rich. Crazy. Transactions are happening with whom? The boss now. ये last level है. ठीक है? When you start doing this transaction with the boss is now seeing डेमीगॉड्स आर, हमने क्या बोला कि बाउंड टू गिव अस व्हाटएवर वी, चाहे वो हमारे लिए अच्छा हो या विष्णु इज नॉट
4109 2 times
sorry, what was I saying? Vishnu is not bound. Vishnu is God. Krishna, he's not bound. He's not doing a job like the demigods. He doesn't have to give you what you are asking for. But because you're coming to him, he says, हाँ थोड़ा step लिया है मेरी तरफ. तो he's like, इसके desire में ही इसका purification करवाता है. In that desire that we are asking Krishna, Krishna ये दे दो, Vishnu ये दे दो, दे दिया, नहीं दिया कभी दिया तो मन ही नहीं भरा, कभी दिया तो बोर हो गए उसी से. You understand what I'm saying? A lot of different things happen, and then at the end, we go from desire to duty. We start feeling that I go to Balaji I'm just taking an example, every year, every month, ask for him, and he's given me so much. I also, now you start to have a relationship, not just a transactional one. You start, you actually go there just for darshan. You start going there just for darshan. You start going there just to do some seva. You start getting to know more about, hear more about, etc., etc. So that's how you progress. You go from Karm Kand to, I'm going to discuss this in the next session. But next one you go in the realm of duty. That he has done so much for me. Let me do something for him just because he has done so much for me. Because it is my duty to do something. These are the 4 levels. ये हम next.
Necessarily that you will go in this order.
No, this is not necessary, but this is the process that is being given. And this is not necessary कि आप हमेशा नीचे से ऊपर ही जाओ, कभी ऊपर से नीचे भी आ सकते हो. Because you have so much opulence, you may never want to leave out of it. You're just enjoying in that. This is how it goes. Religion is practiced in 4 ways. First is
fear,
second is
duty,
desire actually. Third is duty, and fourth is love. जो कर्म कांड है वो यहाँ से शुरू होता है, यहाँ से. कभी कभी फियर में भी करते हैं कर्म कांड. अरे ये नहीं कि आज मैंने जोत नहीं जलाई तो मेरा दिन खराब जाए. फियर. पाप कर लेंगे तो मेरे साथ क्या होगा, बुरा होगा. सो फियर से शुरू होता है, डिजायर तक आता है. One step ahead is desire. Then it is duty. Actually, Krishna is starting from here. The Bhagavad Gita starts from here. Duty. Desire और fear थोड़ा बात कर रहे हैं अभी Krishna second, third chapter में. But then he wants to move ahead to duty, and then he move ahead to love, devotion. Triple D में first is duty, third is devotion. That is love. But religion generally in 4 levels पे होता है. सबसे लो लेवल क्या है, डर के मारे लोग रिलीजन करते हैं. सेकंड इज कुछ चाहिए. थर्ड इज ड्यूटी, नहीं मुझे करना है, मेरा कर्म है, मुझे करना है. एंड फोर्थ इज ये प्रोग्रेशन है. But we have a chance right now to go Sida to Bhakti Yoga. That is what Srila Prabhupada is giving us, but we'll understand that in the next session. Taken up too much time. I'll take up 1-2 questions if there are any, but other than that, we'll continue in the next class. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Was that too much information? Little bit. Yeah. Will you remember this? I don't know. But Akshobhya Prabhu has given us infinite memory by recording. Like he's recorded the class, he'll put it up on YouTube for us. So maybe we can refresh our memories through the week. But heavy tha? Nahi tha? Okay tha? Okay. Yeah. Any questions? One question if you want to take. Yes.
one God which we are referring, that's Vishnu, right?
That's Krishna, but in this material world, that's Vishnu. We start with Vishnu. We start with getting to know the form. जब किसी से introduce होते हो, when you got to, आपका कोई दोस्त है यहाँ पे? कौन है? हाँ, तो आप पहली बार कहाँ मिले थे? यहीं पे मिले थे? नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कहीं और जहाँ मिले थे होंगे। वैसे कोई दोस्त यहाँ पे जो लोग आते हो या ऑल ऑफ यू कहाँ मिले थे? ऑफिस में। जब पहली बार मिले थे when you met for the first time, did he start telling you कि or anybody else कि अरे यार मम्मी के साथ मेरे ऐसे झगड़े होते हैं, पापा के साथ ऐसा होता है? पहले दिन, पहली बार मुझे परसों उल्टी आई थी। No, right? Why not? Why not? Sorry? Yeah. The first time it's formal. When you meet someone, it is formal. So Vishnu is the formal form of Krishna. So in this material world, when we get, that's how Krishna is introducing concept of God, personal God, as Vishnu. And in this material world, the extremities of this material world actually end at Vishnu, because that's where all the universes are starting from. आप देख रहे हैं वो जो बबल्स है छोटे छोटे, वो सारे यूनिवर्सेस है, मटेरियल यूनिवर्सेस। तो उन्हीं से निकल रहे हैं। तो हमें उनके बियॉन्ड अभी कुछ नहीं पता, हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं पता, इस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड का भी नहीं पता, बट द मैक्स वी नो इज हिम, बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर द मटेरियल यूनिवर्स इज कमिंग फ्रॉम. सो हेंस first introduction of God is Vishnu. That's why when you hear that ये सारे अवतार किसके हैं? विष्णु के हैं. But that's rudimentary understanding. Vishnu is also coming from somewhere. He is coming from the spiritual world, and that's where we get to know that Vishnu किनके अंश हैं actually. जैसे हमने बोला formal characteristics जो हैं वो okay, report चाहिए होगा because if these are your formal characteristics, yeah, are they a subset of your full characteristics or your home characteristics, or your home characteristics are the subset of your formal characteristics? Formal is subset, no? आप घर पे पूरी तरह खुद होते हो. You are your own original self where? Or at office or at ghar? Ghar, no. So this is ghar and this is office or outside, whatever. A subset of that. Just like that, the formal form of Krishna, which is Vishnu, is a subset of him. He in himself is a lot more than just Vishnu. Just one thing, if I say, does Vishnu do any leelas? Vishnu never does leelas. Doing leelas is a quality of Krishna that Vishnu does not have. Because Vishnu is we are not saying who's less, who's bigger. We're not doing a trump card competition here. They're the same person. But when he's in a formal setting, he's Vishnu. When he's in a homely setting, he's Krishna. The source is Krishna.
So Ram is also one subset of his character.
Yes. Yes.
Also, Krishna does Leela because he was a god.
Yes.
Vishnu ji to ऐसे का कोई अवतार. So we know Krishna ji की Leela because he was still like.
Actually, Vishnu has a job of creating and maintaining this whole material universe. Because Krishna doesn't want to do that job. Krishna is God. How can God have a job? God can't have a job. Krishna will never do him. परिश्रम करते हुए नहीं देखोगे उनको. मुरली बजाएंगे, गाय चराएंगे, गोपों के साथ खेलेंगे, माखन चुराएंगे. Chill. हाँ? Yeah. Yeah. Actually, he does a lot of duties. If you see Bhagavatam, when he's in Dwaraka, especially when he's in Dwaraka, again वो थोड़ा office वाला role, because he's Raja there. वहाँ ड्यूटीज करी. But in Vrindavan, when he's at home, he's not done any, he's chilled there. बहुत chill किया हम लोगों ने 11 साल. You were saying something Mansi, after that.
मैं यही बोल रही हूँ कि विष्णु जी की तो लीला हो भी नहीं सकती ना.
Yeah, हो ही नहीं सकती. Yeah. Can you see? You're putting a boundary on God. भगवान की तो लीला मैंने बाउंड्री डाली है, बट एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं हो सकती है, बट वो करने के लिए वो डिफरेंट फॉर्म लेते हैं. जैसे कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं घर में बनियान में नहीं जा सकता. मैं जा जरूर सकता हूँ मैं घर ऑफिस बनियान में, बट मैं जाता नहीं हूँ. क्यों? वो सेटिंग अलग है. That's why. Yeah.
आपने बोला था कि जितना होता है उतना मिलता है, तो उसमें हार्ड वर्क कहाँ इन्वॉल्व है?
Mata ji, I'll break it to you. Very sorry to break it to you. You know, hard work pays, but hard work only pays until your karma is present. Karma is present. If you're working harder than what you deserve, you'll not get it. That is not. I'm not. See, problem is ये जब मैं statement कभी भी बोलता हूँ, the question that comes is, then तो हम कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, हम तो घर पे बैठ जाएंगे. No. Yeah. No. Work hard. But work hard does not mean lose sight of your goal. Because right now, work hard basically has become, the world has gone mad. People take pride in being busy. Oh man, I'm so busy. You know, my calendar is full. Yesterday I could not have lunch. You could not have lunch? How are you? Mirthless laugh. आंखों से आंसू, मुंह से हंसी. We have taken pride in being hustlers. Hustle is a word now, right? अरे क्यों hustle भाई? क्यों hustle? करो ना अपना 8 घंटा काम. Put a boundary on it. Work hard in those 8 hours that you have to put for work. But after that, live your life. No. Why are you compromising on your life goals, on your actual enjoyment of life? Because you're working. What are you doing? Don't do that. It's become, people are saying 40 hour, 50 hour, 60 hour, 70 hour work week it should be. I've heard leaders of this society now say 70 hour work week it should be. Because you know, एक generation को sacrifice करना पड़ेगा, because economy of India should be. It's a patriotic thing you should do. Are you serious? 70-hour work week if I'm putting, who will earn the money? India? Or you as a boss, owner of that company? It's utter madness. Holistic living is a thing, no. Work hard, work honestly, work smart, but have boundaries. Don't work beyond 8 hours. Have that as a policy. I am not going to work more than 8 hours. I know that not everybody has that privilege. But those who have that privilege, why don't you exercise it? My father, someone's father has made a 5 BHK house. Earned enough. 5 BHK house there is. I will work 100 hours in a week to make that 5 BHK into a 6 BHK. Why? Why am I reinventing the wheel? I have got karma which gave me birth in a house which already had money, so that I can do things which are beyond money. That's why I got birth in a house which already had money. What did I do in that situation? I did the same thing. I said, no, I will earn more money. Why? You earn what you need, you earn what you want, you maintain a lifestyle, do that. But not at the cost of what is more important. At least those who can. And I think in this room, I can safely say roti kapda makan is sorted. Yes or no? Yes, Prabhu, you had a question.
Actually, the answer was completely wrong. How did hard work के बारे में मिलने वाला?
हार्ड वर्क बहुत करेंगे, बट अगर मेरी किस्मत में 100 रुपए लिखा है, मैं जितना भी हार्ड वर्क कर लूं, नहीं मिलेगा मुझे 100 रुपए.
लास्ट सेक्शन में हमने ये
भाई
discuss
कि हम
किया
लोग
था,
की कर्म बना रहे ना hard
Yeah.
work करके, तो फिर कर्म के हिसाब से तभी तो मिलना चाहिए, अभी नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा, कभी मिलना चाहिए. हाँ,
हाँ मतलब भाई
शायद कब मिलेगा वो नहीं पता, लेकिन कभी मिलेगा, कभी आएगा अपना टाइम.
जो वो stones बना देते हैं हमें,
सॉरी
pen और वो
माता जी, what should I say and what should I not say? It is KK, comes under KK. If authentic, numerology, all of this, if authentic, because no, lot of it is all a little fishy also. Even yagyas, if not done properly, they what are they? Fishy only, no? Yeah.
Some devotees also do tarot card reading and this and that. वो devotee नहीं है इसका.
See, a devotee means full faith on Krishna. Full faith on. I'm talking about the ideal. I'm not in that situation. I'm also इधर उधर देख रहा हूँ. मेरा plan भी नहीं होगा. A devotee will never have a plan B. Krishna will take care. No. Why am I worrying? मैं क्यों adjustment कर्मा का कर रहा हूँ? Once I'm in bhakti, I'm out of the realm of karma, by the way. कर्म के realm से मैं क्या हो जाता हूँ? बाहर हो जाता हूँ. Because I have taken shelter of a person who is out of the realm of karma. Yes or no? Krishna is out of the realm of karma or not? He doesn't have karma acting upon him. We have taken shelter upon him. So many devotees have shown their hands. And the astrologer has said, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए था. But that person की life ऐसा हुई ही नहीं. कुछ और ही हो रहा है life में. And I'm not saying only good, bad, good. Sometimes because you become a devotee, all good things start happening to you. Sometimes all bad things start happening to you. क्यों? आपके बुरे कर्म थे, जल्दी जल्दी काटो भाई इसका. अब डिवोटी बन गया इसका. 1 लाख 2 लाख में इसका खत्म कर दो सारा अकाउंट. बट दिखेगा कैसे किसी को? अरे भाई इसने भक्ति करनी शुरू करी, इसकी लाइफ तो बर्बाद हो गई. बट रियल डिवोटी बर्बाद हुई जिंदगी में भी ना खुश रहता, क्योंकि उसको रियल चीज दिख रही है कि यार मेरे सारे कर्म क्या हो रहे हैं? कट रहे हैं यार, कट रहे हैं. दिस इज द रियल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ कर्मा सिस्टम. इट इज नॉट टू कैलकुलेट, इट इज टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रियली हैपनिंग एंड हुज शेल्टर शुड आई टेक. But yeah, hard work, we should all work hard. We should all work honestly. But we should know why are we working hard and how much. At the cost of what? Rupa Goswami says, Atyahara prayasascha. It's like Atyahara and prayas. We should never over endeavor or greedily ikhatta karo more. Because that will always be at the cost of my spirituality. And that will not give me happiness. Yeah, I'm getting buzzer calls there. It's late. So I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much for listening in and tolerating. And hopefully I'll get to see all of you in the next session. Thanks, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.